Okay, guys, many of you have request me English version of this explanation. So, first of all, congratulations all candidate that face in exam tomorrow, February 8, 2023. And I'm going to explain reasoning skills, which is 25-minute paper, and English language skills, and also mathematical skills, 25-minute online paper. So this online exam appeared in last year, the first online exam. So this is the printed version of that exam. So I'm going to explain one by one of each questions, and but bear me if my English is not that much of fluent. So if you can't understand, comment me, and yeah, I can help you. Okay, first question. Five schoolmates, names are there. Completed who was the quickest to build the cart house. They all started the competition at the same time. So Ben was ready before Anna, but later than Maya. That mean what? Ben was ready before Anna mean the time taken for the Ben smaller than Anna, no? So we can take like that. So Anna here, Ben took little time than Anna. If Anna took 10 minutes, then Ben took 8 minutes, for example. Okay, that's meaning. But later than Maya. That later than Maya mean that Maya took lesser time than Ben. Okay, for example, if Ben took 8, then Maya took maybe 5. So we can that statement we can write like this. Okay, the next statement, Kelvin was ready before fans. So Kevin was ready um, before fans. That means fans took lot of time than Kelvin. So this is okay. And also fans, but only after Alan. That means the Alina, after the Alina, that he took maybe, for example, if Alina took 10 minutes, then France took maybe 50 minutes. Okay, something like that. Okay, I think you will understand, you can understand these statements, no? So you have to write down like that. Then we go by one these answers. Okay, so I think yes, quickest to slowest. So slowest side is here, so quickest side is here. So Maya quicker than Ben. Then Maya may be if we take Ben and Maya, then Maya may be here, no? So Maya Ben, not Ben Maya. So Ben Maya is not correct. This was not correct. Ben Maya. Okay, Ben. Then after that Maya. It's not correct. So Maya after that Ben. So here Maya after that Ben. Here also Maya after that Ben. And there are so many places like that. So you can ignore if this kind of if Ben come before Maya. So you can ignore those like that. So other thing is Aline. So this statement. So Ben quickest. So that means after Ben, Alina should hear. So this we can ignore here. This one. Okay, like that. So Ben, look the Ben. Then Maya also here. Maya slowest, but this one not the right answer. Like that you can find the answers. No, the ignore the wrong answers. Okay. So likewise you can choose this answer here. Now look this answer, Ben. Okay. After that Alina. No. No. Here this answer. Okay. Maya. After that Ben. No. After that Elena. This is okay, no? So Maya Ben Alina. So Maya Ben Alina. It's okay. Stay the correct order. Maya Ben Alina. Maya Ben Alina. Okay, correct order. Then after Alina, fence. After Alina, fence here. Okay. And also after Kevin, no? After Kevin. Okay, this is the answer. So that's the way. That's the way you have to choose the answer, but be careful. You have only 2 minutes or maybe 3 minutes maximum to answer this question. Okay, let's go to the question number 2. Easy. Lucas takes care of his brothers a new puppy for the first time. His brother has instructed Lucas as follows. If puppy want to play ball, the puppy wants to play. If puppy want to have a ball, the puppy wants to play. That's so statement like this. So I can draw like this. So if this is puppy, if puppy want a ball, okay, here's ball. If puppy want a ball, if puppy want a ball, if puppy want to have a ball, the puppy want to play. So puppy want to play. Okay, like that is the statement. So which one of the following conclusion is the identify definitely sorry which one of the following conclusion is definitely correct one? Choose the correct answer. So if puppy wants to play, if puppy wants to play, then puppy wants, no, not this side, no, here to here, no. If puppy want to ball, he want to play, not he want to play, he want to ball, not from here, no, here to here. So it is wrong. The third one, if puppy does not want to play, that also start from the play side, no, that also start from the play side. So it should be a start from the ball. If puppy want a ball, okay, if puppy want to have a ball, so you can ignore that one. So if puppy does not want to ball, if puppy does not want to ball, if it is does not want, then puppy does not want to play. Oh, it's okay, no, it's right. Okay, answer is second one. Okay, but somebody can answer this also. Now this conclusion is definitely correct. Okay, definitely correct based on the information given. So somebody also can answer this one, but I think answer is this one. Okay, put your comments. Okay, this is a big question, but answer is very simple. Question number 3 goes through here and here and here and also down to here. So it's a big question, but very easy. Okay, don't afraid to big questions. Eric had visited a person at the hotel during his previous stay. He was very pleased with the service he received and would now like to book an appointment for the same physiotherapist for his next visit at the same hotel. Unfortunately, he couldn't remember the physiotherapist's name. Please help the busy front desk worker to find out name of Eric's physiotherapist. Okay, so here this table is given client number, last name, first name. So you know Eric. So Eric is the name. So no Eric here. So client number is 3. So keep in mind that 3 and client number goes here. So client number goes there and 3. Okay, look, 3 here, order number 40 and 3 also order number 60. So we have 2 and also service. So we go to service. Order number 40 goes to the this kind of predate. So this is not the one. So order number 40 goes to physiotherapy. Oh, this is the one. Okay, and this is also not the one. Okay, so this is the one, physiotherapy. He visited the physiotherapy early, no, remember. So physiotherapist, this one, and therapist ID is 43. So therapist ID is 43. Now we know that one. And if you look at the ID 45, then this is the man. This is the name of the physiotherapist, first name. So what was the physiotherapist? Choose the correct answer. This is the answer. Okay, that's easy. So but be careful. This is very big question. The answer is very simple. Okay, go to the question number 4. Philips has grown Philips has grown apple for decades, and notice the following statement is true. Every red apple tastes good. Okay, every red apple tastes good. Philips went to his store to get red apple, but suddenly the lights went off and it became total dark. Okay, Eric cannot see anything. After some struggling, he found an apple and tasted it. The apple tastes bad. So, okay, what is this statement? Which one of the following statement is true? Okay, true. It's true. Okay, as regards the apples that Philips taste. Okay, we know it's a bad apple, tastes bad, but we know also red apple is tastes good. Okay, the apple was not yellow. Okay, let's keep in mind this one and go to the apple was yellow. So we cannot say like that apple was yellow, because sometimes maybe green. Okay, sometimes blue. Okay, apple was not green. Okay, apple was not red. Oh, this is one. No, we can strictly say this one, because if it is red, then surely it tastes good. So this is the answer. Okay, there are some other answers also. Look at that. The apple was red. No, it's not true because it tastes bad. The apple was green, so cannot say. Maybe it's yellow. Okay, now answer is the red. Okay, let's go to the question number 5. Okay, the numerical value correspond to the each letter in the table. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so these numerical values, these are called numerical values. These are letters. Okay, there are some relationship. Most column and row sum. This is sum have already been calculated. Okay, you know this 17 comes if you sum I plus H plus I plus G, it's 17. So likewise, what is the numerical value of the row sum that is now marked with the question? Okay, you have to find this one. Okay, to find this one you have to find H and I and G. Okay, so let's say this one. Okay, this is 2G and 2E is equal to 14. Okay, so what about this one? 4 is here, so that means 4 is equal to 4, that means E is 1. So if you apply E is 1 here, then what? G is 6. Okay, it's easy, no? Here you have 4 is equal to 1, 4 is equal to 4, then E is equal to 1, and this one here 2G and 2E equal to 14, and likewise G is 6. Okay, you know now G and E. Let's go to the other one. Here you have 3 I's here. Okay, 3 I's here and E. So I you can take 4. Okay. Okay guys, we know E1, G6, I4, and if you apply here, you can find 3H and E plus is 10, then H. So you know now H, you know now I, you know now G. So here 2H plus I plus G, so answer is 16. So answer is 16. So it's okay, straightforward question. It's nothing to worry about that one. Okay, let's go to the question number 6. Mike ran a lot of distance than Taida. Peter has shorter distance than Mike. Which one of the following statement is okay? Let's do. Mike ran longer distance. So if we take a distance, so Mike ran longer distance. If we take like Mike ran 100 kilometer, then maybe Taida or tilde and maybe 10 kilometer, for example. Okay, for example. And Peter ran shorter distance than Mike. Okay, Peter ran, so Mike ran, we took 100 kilometer. So Peter may be 50 kilometer like that. Okay, 50 kilometer like that. So he's shorter. So which one of the following statement is true? Peter and Tila ran equally long distance. We cannot say like that. Peter ran short distance than. So okay. Don't forget about this one. Okay, look here. This is 100. This is 10. What about if I put tilde 80 kilometer? So his statement is also correct, no? So Mike ran longer distance than tilde if it is 80. So what happened here? If it is 80, then what happened here? If it is 10, okay, this statement is correct. But can we take statement here? Okay, can we take, because sometimes tilde, okay, tilde may ran longer distance than Peter. Sometimes tilde may ran shorter distance than Peter. So we cannot say. Okay. So it is impossible to say which one, Peter or tilde, ran longer distance. That is the correct answer. Okay. We cannot say Peter ran longer distance than tilde, because you know, for my example, if you put here 100 kilometer, you put here 10 kilometers. So statement is correct. You put here 100 kilometer and you put here 80 kilometers. Also this statement is correct. And you put here 100 kilometers and you put here maybe 10 kilometers. Statement is correct. 100 kilometer, 15 kilometers, statement is correct. But what about here? What about these two? Okay, you cannot say. So answer is this one. It is impossible to say. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, let's go to the question number 7. Okay, last two. Alice woke up in the middle of the night and due to the power cut, it was very dark in his apartment. Alice's pencils were in one large box. He remembered that there were 11 blue pencils, 14 black pencils and 8 grey pencils. Okay. As Alice did not see color of the pencils because it's dark, he picked as many pencils from the box so that he would have at least 2 black pencils. What was the minimum amount of pencils Alice need to pick to ensure he would get at least 2 black pencils? Okay, let's do this. So blue 11 here, and also black 14, and gray 8. So altogether 33 pencils. Okay. Okay. Now let's say uh, if he took all the blue pencils and all the gray pencils, that means 11 plus 8. Okay, 11 plus 8 19, no, 11 plus 8 19. If he took 19 pencils, maybe this all blue and gray will get out, and next will come black pencils. So to ensure, he has to pick 19, no. So after the 19, other 2 pencils are black. Okay, so answer is 21. I think you may understand that one, because to ensure, maybe he will end up, maybe he will pick the all black pencils. If he took first 21 pencils, in the first pencils he will end up in all the black pencils, then no other black pencils left. But here you have to see that what was the minimum amount of pencils Alice need to pick to ensure. Okay, ensure, that means if he took 21 pencils out, surely this blue and gray will gone. Okay, so that's the answer. So here 33 is the total number of pencils, and this is the answer 21. Okay, if you not understand, please comment me. And last questions. Task A, B, C, D and E have to complete first, okay, in order to finalize the assignment. So these are the tasks, and these tasks can be executed simultaneously. Okay, you can execute it simultaneously with the following exceptions, but these are the exceptions. C has to be completed before A can start. So C must be completed. C must be completed before A. So you have put the arrow like that. C must complete before A. Okay. E has to be completed before D. E has to complete here E before D. Put arrow like that. A has to be completed before D can start. Now A has to be completed before D. This one. Okay. Not only D, also A. Okay. A has to be completed before D can start. B has to complete it before A. Now A also have condition. B has to be completed before A. The arrow like that. Look at the arrow. Look at this arrow. Okay. This is the diagram. This is the diagram. Okay. Now the time was given. B completion task is 5 days. So I put 5 here. And also A completed 3, D 2, A 3, D 2, and also C 2, and A3, B5, C2, D2, E5. So I put those the completion time here, 2 days, 5 days, like that. So look guys, here now what is the question? How many days does it take at least to finalize the entire assignment? Okay, how many days at least? Okay, the minimum number of days. So C must complete it, E must complete it, no, B must complete it. So it will take 5 days. Within 5 days, within first 5 days, this C will complete, no. It only take 2 days. So if you took first 5 days, this B, C and E will finish. So E finish mean you can finish D, but you cannot finish D before A. So you have to go to this side. So it will take another 3 days to finish A. Then 5 first place, first 5 days, and second 3 days for here. After finishing A, you can finish the D. So D is the final one. D is the final one. It take 2 days. So this is the entire assignment. Okay, 5 plus 3 plus 2, it's a 10. So 10 is the answer. Okay guys, let's meet on the mathematical skills next video. Thank you very much. Listen to me.